Hey there, welcome to Fun with JS for Beginners. Today, we're kicking off our JavaScript journey with the absolute basics. Ready? Let's dive in. JavaScript is a versatile programming language that's essential for web development. But before we get too far, let's start with something simple: how to create and display a message. This is your basic HTML setup. We've got a simple HTML file with a script tag that links to our JavaScript file, script.js. In your script.js file, type console.log, hello, JavaScript. This line of code tells JavaScript to display the message, hello, JavaScript, in the console. Now, open your web browser, right-click anywhere on the page, and select Inspect or press Ctrl+Shift+I in Windows or CMD+Option+I in Mac to open the developer tools. Go to the Console tab, and you should see your message. There it is, hello, JavaScript. You've just written your first line of JavaScript code. Easy, right? That's it for today. You've learned how to set up an HTML file and write a simple JavaScript message. Stay tuned for more fun and easy JavaScript tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified about our next video. Happy coding!